original idea, I know.
Where's your ass? Catch up.
Jurassic Past 2000. Here. Reacted to Psycho Dad destroys Xbox. Mac Joker Nuggets.
You don't even say go. Oh shit. I didn't know the brakes were on. I'm trying to get you back to the break. I didn't know you were on. I don't know violence in video games. It cause you to do stuff like this. Violence in video games? Yeah. That's what you think of when I do it? People do this stuff. You did it to me. I was trying to go back. Your video. Where are you going? Dad. Yeah, speak to. What are you doing? Well, I'm trying to hold you up. I'm trying to get away, all right? Please don't go on. Dad, there's a lot of stuff in here that you have no right to touch. All right? Where's the video game? You shredded them all. What do you mean? Where are the video games? Where are the video games? I don't have it. You're here 24/7. You're not and you hide in your room. Yeah, I sleep and I watch TV. I don't play. I don't play. Where are the video games? Well, actually, a lot of them are digital now. So are you kidding me? So where are they? He's a good video. This Xbox is right there. Jeffrey, don't touch that! That's the Xbox One, Dad! Don't touch that shit! Dad! I swear the fucking Dad! You're not touching this! You're not! You know what is that? You chainsaw me! Wait! Dad! Holy shit! Holy shit. Master Chief Collection! You're around the world! I have to because you bought me all my time.
Oh, where'd she go? A little Swiss Family Jesse over here. Hey, buddy.
Look out of here! Get that light out of my face!
Hey, it's okay.
The Chief Collection comes out in 1 hour, and I'm not going to be able to play. It's just a game.
Alright, it's off. It's off, man. It's okay.
Turn it off!